Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this fall makeup look. Even though I feel like this look is more like December to me, not September. But either way, I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. I even put on this hot sweater. It's 100 degrees outside and I got on this black sweater to set the mood for the video. Make sure that you guys subscribe right now down below to my channel. And if you would like to see how to get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I've already applied my foundation, concealer, powder, and brows. I kind of was going to finish up like my bronzer at least, but I wanted to try this new palette that I literally just got in the mail, and it's the Mercier Le Palette Naturelle Face and Cheek Palette, and this has a bronzer in it. It looks a bit light, but I did want to try it on camera and see how it goes. I see it showing up a little. Giving more like a contour shade than a bronzer, and they're shimmering it. I do not like shimmery bronzers. I'm gonna go ahead and mirror it on this side, but I'm going to switch to a different bronzer. The closest one I have here is the NYX matte bronzer, so I'm going to apply that all over so we can get started on the eyes. So my idea, I want to do something kind of cool tone on the eyes, a deep purple glossy lip. I kind of want to go all in. I might do just like a red glossy lip, only because deep purple I feel like is more winter now that I'm thinking about it. Okay, so for eyes, I'm going to prime them with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. For eyes, I'm going to go in with the Persona Cosmetics Identity, the first Identity palette. And you can buy this online if you want to check this out. I picked this because this has the cool tone shades that I want to use. Basically, I'm going to use this shade, and this shade. We'll see if I change my mind on that. So I'm going to start by using a small blending brush right away. I'm just getting a napkin and kind of wiping out the brush, make sure it's clean, which it is. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Maverick, which is the second shade I just showed you guys, this one right here. Just apply this directly to the crease. So the eyeshadow base that I applied is clear, so you won't be able to see it, but it's going to have lasting power for the eyeshadows, as well as make the eyeshadows look more intense than if I would have just used maybe like my foundation or something underneath like I normally do. So you can see it's kind of giving off that gray look. That's kind of the look that I'm going for this look. I might only have to use two shadows for this look because this is applying pretty deep, and I was only thinking I was going to use the other shadow to kind of deepen up the look, but this is good enough already. And I think cool tones are just a perfect way to start out the cooler weather. And this is just one version of a fall makeup look. I didn't want to go like the traditional orange shimmer on the lid or bronze shimmer on the lid. I wanted to do something a bit different. So I have that shade down, and now I'm going to apply the lid shade. The brush that I need to apply that shade is actually in my drawer, so hold on. So for the lid, I'm going for a matte eyeshadow, and this is more of like a pale pink eyeshadow, but it's going to apply probably a bit lighter on the eye. And the brush that I'm using to apply it is the Sigma E60 brush. You guys probably have heard of me using this brush. I love using this brush for matte eyeshadows on the lid. It just picks them up from the palette and applies them so intensely right away. So I'm kind of creating a cut crease, just a soft one, with this brush and shadow. So I'm just going back in with the shade that I just applied in the crease, and I'm kind of just blending on the edges to make sure everything is pretty seamless. And there we go, the simplest eye look that I've probably ever done, even though most of them are simple, but this one takes the cake. 2 eyeshadows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wing. Now I'm acting like this because I'm going to be retrying the Kaja Beauty wing liner stamp that I totally messed up in my last video. So we're going to try this and make sure they're even on both sides. Oh, that's not even the kind of wing I want. I don't need to use this no more. Okay, try to get the same thing. Well, at least they're even this time. But I did not want a straight up and down wing. And it's not even sharp. Look at that. I'm gonna have to... I don't think this is my thing. Because I just keep messing it up. You know, the main thing with the winged liner in general is finding the best applicator for you, whether that's a stamp, a regular pen liner, a liquid liner, a gel liner like that's in the little pot. That kind of makes or break how easy it is for you to apply it. I think my favorite might be a liquid liner and pen liners like this. I mean, it's not the worst. It just seems kind of difficult. I don't know why I'm not good at it. I did way better this time, but the wings aren't in the spot that I wanted, so I wanted them to lay down. Maybe it's just I'm learning. Maybe it's just a learning curve with this product, and then eventually I'll be a pro. This isn't gonna be my last time using this for sure. I just need to practice a lot more off camera and not try to do it while I'm on camera. Okay, I'm going back in with the second shadow that I used and just applying this to the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to apply a little bit of a nude liner in the waterline, and this is going to kind of pop open the eyes a little bit. And then I'm going to apply some lashes off camera. I'm going to apply the Lash Label Wildfire lashes, and I will be right back. So got these gorgeous lashes on. I've been obsessed, and I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to my real lashes right here, because you can kind of see like the whites from the eyeshadow on them, and you want to hide that with mascara. And I'm going to apply it to my lower lashes as well. So I'm going to go back to this palette, and I'm going to use this shade over here, and this one seems like a matte shade, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have better luck. With cool tone eye shades, I like to use more of like a mauve-y pink blush as opposed to a orange blush that I normally like to use with every other look, and I just feel like it meshes better with the cool toneness with the mauve pink. Okay, and for oh wait, I almost forgot highlight. Gotta wear highlight. So I'm gonna use this palette too. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this for everything. I'm gonna try this shade right here. Let's use a smaller highlight brush so I can control the area in which I apply it. You know what, I'm going to mix in some of this light highlight with it. See, that's a good thing about a palette, is you can pretty much create your own combo. It seems really like not blinding, which I'm not sure Laura Mercier highlights are normally blinding anyway, so probably shouldn't have expected that. But it's pretty, like if you want a light highlight, like not too overwhelming. But now I feel like once I built it up, it looks like a normal highlight. Maybe it was just like sometimes highlights have like that first layer on top that you have to kind of work through. I'm gonna go back in with the blush brush to kind of blend on top, and then once I spray my setting spray, it'll blend even more. Okay, so for this lip color, I picked this deep gorgeous shade from the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. This is like a glossy lip, and it's pretty like it's like a deep red, maybe it's a hint of purple in it as well, but I thought this would be perfect. And then for lip pencil, I'm gonna go like kind of scary. I'm going to use a black lip pencil. This one is from the Aaliyah collection and MAC. It's in the shade Nevermore. I'm pretty sure MAC should have just black lip pencils in general available. I'm going to line my lips with this and then apply the Revlon lip color. Oh my god, look at that lip color. I feel like this is winter. Is this winter or is this fall? Okay, I'm going to set my face with the Koh Gen Herbal Spa Mist. I love this spray. I've taken this spray on a plane before, and when I tell you, it just calmed my nerves right down. Just like rehydrated my face and everything. It was just, I loved it. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, even though it seems more winter time than it does fall. But I just really wanted to wear a dark, glossy, like reddish family lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed it either way. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel down below, like, comment, share this video, all that kind of stuff. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.